Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Taking a math class at a community college launched Aisha Bowe's career that led to her becoming a rocket scientist at NASA and an entrepreneur. She's the founder and CEO of STEMBoard, an engineering consulting company and maker of the Lingo Coding Kit. And the kit shows young people, even those without an interest in math, science, or engineering, how to build real-world solutions like a backup sensor for an autonomous vehicle and much more.
So not only do you have the board and the wires that you need for the activity, but we have a whole host of sensors and other supporting elements that can allow the student to complete our lesson and then explore.
Find more at stemlingo.com or search for a deal on Groupon, and make sure to check out our full interview with Aisha Bowe. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.